Fellow Toastmasters, our dignitary from India, era director, what's his name? Tejas, ladies and gentlemen, what does it really mean to be an excellent Toastmaster? Does it mean giving polished speeches? Or does it mean winning medals? Or something much deeper? Today, I will explain to you the meanings of an excellent Toastmaster using the 11 letters in that powerful word, Toastmaster. First letter T, is taking responsibility. An excellent Toastmaster takes responsibility, not just for your own speeches, but for the success of every meeting. What does it mean? You come on time, you come prepared, and you are always professional. And you understand that excellence is not an accident. It is a choice made every time you show up. Letter O in Toastmaster, the second letter is offering encouragement. An excellent Toastmaster offers encouragement. You hear the nervousness of first-time speaker, you applaud. Not just for the perfect delivery, but for the bravery to be here in front of the lectern and share his or her message. Because in club like this, as in any other club in 141 countries, Toastmaster builds not only good speaker, great leaders, but confidence. This is the place where confidence is built. Letter A is accepting feedback with grace. An excellent Toastmaster accepts feedback with grace. You don't argue with your speech evaluator. You listen, you learn, and then you adapt suggestions that make sense to you. Because feedback is not a criticism. It is a gift wrapped in honesty. S is speaking with purpose. An excellent Toastmaster speaks with purpose. You speak for what? To inform, to inspire, to influence. Because every speech should leave the audience much better than it found them. The second letter T is training others. An excellent Toastmaster trains others. You mentor new members. You share whatever you've learned. Because leadership in Toastmaster is not about standing taller. It's lifting everybody higher. Letter M is modeling excellence. An excellent Toastmaster models excellence. And this is where the 3 P's of excellence come in handy. The 3 P's are punctuality, professionalism, and preparation. Because becoming a leader in Toastmaster, you always show example of how things are done. That's how you show modeling, because you do things the proper way even when no one is watching. And letter A is adapting to any audience. An excellent Toastmaster adapts to any audience. They can be funny, serious, casual, or formal, because communication isn't about what you are saying. It's about what the audience understands. Letter S is serving the club. You join Toastmaster not because you want to gain something only. You don't ask, what's in it for me? What do I get? Instead, you ask, what can I give? Because the strongest club like ours is built by people who don't just speak, but people who serve. Like Ron, who has been a Toastmaster, Sergeant at Arms for life of this club. Elizabeth, Dr. Jim, Eleanor, Dr. Ignacio, who else? Howard, and the rest of the past officers of this club, including your humble speaker. Letter T is turning failure into fuel. An excellent Toastmaster turns failure into fuel. A speech bombs, you learn. A roll goes wrong, you improve. Because in Toastmasters, we don't fail. We practice. This is the place where we keep on practicing. Just like what the late pillar of this club, Ken, used to say, "Here we practice until we get it right." It's like a gym where we go every Friday. You go to the gym to exercise. Here we do speaking to practice every Friday. Letter E is empowering others. An excellent Toastmaster empowers others. You help members find their voice. You cheer not only for trophies and medals, but for growth. Because success is sweeter when it is shared. And finally, the last letter is R. You respect the journey. An excellent Toastmaster respects the journey. You remember what it felt like to be nervous standing here, delivering your icebreaker speech. You honor every step, from icebreaker to international speech contest competition. Because every good speaker started as a beginner. To conclude, fellow Toastmasters and honored guests, so what does it mean to be an excellent Toastmaster? Easy to remember. Nothing is impossible. I'm possible because Toastmaster helps you to have that paradigm shift, that change in the pattern of your thinking. So, to be an excellent Toastmaster means take responsibility, offer encouragement, accept feedback, speak with purpose, train others, model excellence, adapt to audiences, serve the club, turn failure into fuel, empower others, and respect the journey. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, the word Toastmaster is not just a simple word. It is a way of life. If you follow these 11 definitions, you will not just become a good speaker, you will become a good leader, a good listener, a better individual, and an excellent Toastmaster. How do you score in these 11 definitions, fellow Toastmasters? Mr. Toastmaster.